Creating explainer videos with Simpleshow. An explainer video is a short video that quickly explains the key points of a topic or process. My very favorite tool to use is Simpleshow, and it's free for educators. Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to get a free Simpleshow education account. Now keep in mind this is only meant for educators, it's not for the general public, so please make sure you're only creating an education account if you actually are an educator. Well, first you'll go to simpleshow.com and then you'll go sign up for free. You can then choose one of the following options. You can sign in with Microsoft, with Google, with Facebook, with your single sign-on if you've got an account. For me, I'm going to use Google. And then I'll choose my account. So this is where you have to make sure you're choosing your school account. So I can click here at the top on pricing. And I always want to choose my individual privacy preferences and just choose essential cookies only. Just makes me feel better. Save custom choices. You can accept all if you're comfortable with that. And then at the very bottom here, you're going to click on Education with the books. I want to do this. I want to click Select Classroom. Now, very important once again, please note that this is only free of charge for persons associated with educational institutions. So you must be working at a school. It doesn't matter if it's a private school, a public school, whatever it is, university, college, etc. You're going to click in your date of birth, your first name, last name. It asks you for address. It also asks you for your role. So that's you're a student or you're a teacher, professor, that kind of thing, the name of your educational institution, and the URL. Once you've put all that in there and accepted the terms and conditions, you'll also need to click off the box at the top saying that you are confirming legally that you are a member of an acknowledged educational institution and that you understand you cannot use the videos created here for commercial purposes. So he says, yes, once you've done all that, then you can click on Order Education for free. Once I'm ready to create a video in Simpleshow, I'm going to click on Create New Video. Now I want to select my language. I'm going to leave it at English for all the instructions to be in English. And I'm just going to name this Testing. Now you can upload a PowerPoint file that has all of your script written out in it, or I just find it's easier to write my own script. And I can copy and paste from a doc if I've written it out in a doc first. It will have a little video showing you for each step of the way. It scaffolds. There's all sorts of really great templates that you can use. You don't have to use a template though. You can just use a blank template, whatever you want. There's also personal ones here, educational ones, explain a math formula, invention, historical event, medical disease, lots of great places to start. So this is actually kind of fun to use with students as well. If you're allowed to do so in your board. So I'm going to just click on blank template here. And again, it'll pop up with all sorts of information showing me how to do things. But I can put my title here. I can be like, here I am. I like cheese. And then I can go to visualize it. Now I can have it classic like this or clean with colors. Now I don't have the pro plan, so I can't choose that, but I can choose the classic one, which is black and white. And if you have an education plan, it'll auto default to that black and white one. There we go. And again, it's going to give me a little instructional video to show me how to do things. Now this has the word title and it's already given me a visualization. If I don't like that, I can choose something else. I can choose from characters. I can look at various illustrations, look up a word. So if I wanted the word apple, for instance, I could put an apple there. So whatever I want to put in there. For this one, here I am, I might want a character. And again, this is just a sample. So this isn't, I'm not doing a great job, but I'll click on the word here and I click on the word I, click on the word am. Oh, here I am. Okay, maybe I don't like that. Maybe I want Darth Vader instead. I like cheese. So this is a good sign for like cheese. I like cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to create my Simpleshow. This very, very quick little intro. So I'm going to go to Finalize. Now, in the finalize step, again, they'll show me a little prompt of what I can do. I can choose a voice that they already have, like Joanna's voice here. And the voices, they have a variety of voices. They do sound like computers. So I generally like to record my own voice. But if I wanted to use their voice, I could. I can add music and I can listen to what all the different music options sound like. I can add subtitles, and I like to add subtitles as an accessibility feature so people can see the words as well as hear the words. Just a small little accessibility feature you can add onto your lessons. Um, and then for the animations, I can choose, what color of hands I want to be um, changing the images for me, etc. So there's just lots of really cool animation colors here, and you can have the scribble color in any color that you want as well. So I'm just going to go to finalize, just so you can kind of see what it looks like, and I'll say okay, and I can play it and I can see what it actually looks like. Super simple, doesn't take long to make. That had the voice already added for me. I can record my own voice as well, but if you're not someone who's comfortable, hearing their own voice, you can always use one of the ones that's created for you. Anyways, have fun with it. It is really simple to use, and like I said, it's free for educators. So please do take advantage of this and make some fun, simple shows for your students.